Hi guys, welcome back to lecture 3 of HTML. I hope you all have seen the lecture 2 and lecture 2 revision so that you are up to date with what all we have discussed till now. Now without any further delay, let's get into it. But just before that, I'm gonna upload a combined worksheet of lecture 2 and lecture 3 right after this video. So do that. So now let's get started. We are now going to discuss the concept of quotation and citation in HTML. What does this mean basically? Like we use double quotes, right? We use single quotes. So if I'm writing something like HTML and then lecture in quotes, so I kind of want to emphasize on lectures, right? Or if I'm writing if I'm writing lecture in italic, I'm sorry, this is a pathetic italics, but still. Or if I'm writing lecture in bold, so I want to emphasize on that, right? So how will I do that? Now there are many ways in which I can represent a code. For example, there's first let's understand there's this concept of block quote. The first one in quotations that we are going to discuss is block quote. What does block quote do basically? It defines a section that is quoted from another section. For example, if I say this is a quote from Wikipedia, right? So this is a quote from Wikipedia. All of this is in p tag. This is a quote from Wikipedia, and then I write black quote site is an attribute of black quote from where we basically define the website, and then we write the text. Here we'll write the text that's quoted from Wikipedia in this case, and then slash black quote. Okay, so since this is in black quote, this means that this is quoted from a website, right? So the output of this will be, this is a quote from Wikipedia, will start from the left margin, and then some space will be left here, and from here our black quote will start. This space will be completely empty. So I hope you understood this. We are gonna look into it in more detail when we do the examples for this. Similarly, there's a tag known as Q tag. Q tag allows us to add quotations. Now, browser will normally insert quotation marks around the quotations also, but we can use Q tag. So anything which I write in between Q and slash Q will be in double quotes. That's it. It's like bold, italics, etc. We discussed about B slash B. Now this is Q slash Q, which is used for double quotes. Now another one is ABBR. ABBR stands for abbreviations. So as the name suggests, it has something to do with abbreviations, right? So abbreviation tag will define basically, if I have written a line, for example, let's say the WHO was founded in 1948. Okay, now I know WHO stands for World Health Organization. Okay, and it is an abbreviation. So if I write the ABBR tag like this, the abbreviation will be basically kind of underlined, like, or dotted, like this, WHO dot. And for this I can write ABBR cited is equal to World Health Organization, and then WHO, and then slash ABBR. So this will be the output, and when my mouse of the full form. So this is how we can use abbreviation tag. Now the next tag is address. When we use the address tag, it basically is telling the web page that, or the browser, that this document is basically, this piece of document is personal information, right? Now address can contain any sort of contact information, be it email, be it your address, URL, physical address, phone number, social media, whatever. Now what's the difference in normal content and the content that's between address and slash address? Now whatever is in between, it will come in italics. So if I'm writing my name in between address tags, and if I'm writing my email, my social media handle, or my address, whatever I'm writing, it will come in italics. Now all the tags we have studied till now in the lecture 3, note that you do not have to use paragraph tag to use those tags. You can simply write address and then slash address, and whatever it's between it will be displayed in italics. So you do not have to write p tag if you don't want to insert a paragraph. If you want to just insert an address, you can write address slash address. Then there is another one, which is cite. CITE. Now what does cite tag do? It basically defines a creative work. Like we can use cite for defining a book title. If I'm writing, for example, any novel, A Little Life is a good book. This is all in paragraph tag, good book. So then I write P and P. Just a second, I'll do it. Yeah. P, A Little Life is a good book. Okay. And if I write here cite and cite here, it's gonna make the title also italic, so that it's differentiated from the rest of the text. The title will be automatically made italic if you use cite, or whatever text you put inside the cite tag will be automatically made italic. But the main purpose of this is a book, song, movie, painting, etc.